So let's discuss about the minimum requirements to join the CMA program, the exam structure and the passing marks. So if you talk about the minimum requirements, you need to remember that to join CMA program, you don't need to have a bachelor's degree because even university students can also do CMA exams. However, when you want to claim your certificate, you need to show them your degree plus 2 years experience certificate and definitely passing both the exams. So these are the requirements to get the CMA certificate. Moving on, if you talk about the exam structure, so you need to remember this is a 4 hours exam. In these 4 hours, there are two components. One is MCQs, the other one is essay questions, right? You have 100 MCQs which you need to solve in 3 hours, and then you have 1 hour in which you are going to solve 2 essay scenario based questions. Okay? Now there is no break in your exam. After completing the 3 hours, you will be automatically transferred to the essay questions if you have scored at least 50% in your MCQs. If you have scored less than 50% in your MCQs, your exam will stop and you will not be allowed to attempt the essay questions. So, if you are lucky enough to pass on to the essay part, after completing 4-hour exam, you have to wait like around 6 weeks to get your results, which will be emailed to you. There is no choice in your exam. Okay, all questions are compulsory. But there is a choice, and that choice is if you are not comfortable with the exam, you can leave the exam hall. Let's talk about the passing marks. So you need to remember that your exam is scored on a scale of 500. And to pass this exam, you need to score at least 360 points, right? Which is around 72% passing marks. So you can say, for example, out of the 100 MCQs, you need to target at least you need to do 70 to 75 MCQs correct if you want to pass this exam. Plus, when you come to the essay part, again, you need to score around 70 to 75%. Otherwise, you will not be able to pass the exam.